Hello, traders and investors. This is PennyStockRain.com. Today we'll be discussing TDGI, that is Target Development Group Incorporated, listed on the pink sheets. Penny Stock Rain reminds you that we are not financial advisors, so please do your own research and due diligence. We will be starting at the very top to the very bottom. Okay, let's start with our relative strength index right here, RSI. It is ticking at about 64.42, I believe, or 92. Okay. To consider it overbought, it's got to be in that 80-90 range, and it still has a little bit room to run. So we want to watch this, and we want to make sure that it's not going to, retrace hard on us. So we want to watch this real carefully. It does have room to run. Reason why I say that was by looking at prior price action. Okay, we're going to move this right here, and we're going to see how high it's been right there. And we can go actually further back, but it has been trending up, higher lows. So that's something we want to watch right there. All right, let's tick down just a little bit. We're almost in breakout territory, and this is something that we need to watch right here. Our parabolic SAR is over the candle. That's actually bearish, but depending on the moving average convergence divergence, which we'll look at a little bit later, and a few other indicators that can change, and that might change on Monday. We're not real sure yet. So we want to see what the price action does on Monday. All right, here is, of course, a nice little resistance area that we hit last Friday. Oh, nice volume too. We'll discuss that a little bit later as well. So we want to watch this. We want to see a break above this to confirm a breakout. We already have the breakout volume, which is one of the indicators that we are looking at. And here's the support level. I want to draw support levels that used to be prior resistance level. That is charting 101. There's another support level right here. And of course, right here. Any particular patterns that we see or are looking at right now? Actually, you'd have to go back a little bit and look at our golden cross. Even though moving averages are a lagging indicator, you still have to watch these. The 50-day is the blue line. Notice how it crossed the 200-day. That's what we call a golden cross, and that's what happened. So, we look at prior price action to determine, what's next, just like weather forecasting. Scroll down a little bit to that volume. Do like the volume actually. As you can see, nice increase of volume over the past couple weeks, and a nice increase in volume Friday. Haven't seen the news, haven't really heard the news, and we're just looking at this right here. We're going to scroll down a little bit more for the moving average convergence divergence, and this is what I'm talking about. You'll see little changes in the moving average convergence divergence, or MACD, MACD, before the actual parabolic SAR changes. There's a couple other indicators you want to look at. This one right here just stuck at me, and I'm kind of, bullish on the histogram right here because it just ticked green. If it can just keep in the green and keep moving up, then that would be considered a breakout. Notice this crossover right here as well. These are things we want to see before we actually see the parabolic SAR, these dots above the candle and below the candle. When they're above the candle, bullish. When they're above the candle, they're bearish. So we want to definitely see them, if you're a bull, above the candle. If you're a bear, you want to see them over the candle, because that's what happens. It's a great indicator. Again, we are not financial advisors, but we are PennyStockRain.com, reminding you to stop by PennyStockRain.com and sign up today. Thank you and have a great day.